Hey chemistry! Last week we were talking about atomic structure and we went over how to draw Bohr models. And that's what you're going to do in the assignment today. I give you 8 elements I'd like you to draw Bohr models for, and then I give you column number and row number. I'd like you to draw the Bohr model, find the number of valence electrons, determine if it's going to lose or gain electrons, and then the resulting charge. Notice that I gave you the charge of carbon because that one's kind of in the middle and we didn't talk about it when we went over whether atoms are going to lose or gain electrons during our class meeting. Let me work an example so you can see how to fill in this chart.
Even though I give this assignment to you as a Word document, I would just do it in a notebook or on another piece of paper because making Bohr models in Word is really challenging. So I wanted to work the first one as an example so you can figure out exactly what you're expected to put in each column. The first element you're given is hydrogen, and I give you the column and the row. So, Bohr model. We start Bohr models off with the nucleus, which is number of protons and number of neutrons. Hydrogen has 1 proton. Number of neutrons, well, you find that by using the atomic mass and subtracting number of protons. So, on my periodic table, hydrogen has a mass of 1.008. Go ahead and round the masses to the nearest whole number. So, hydrogen would be 1. Lithium here is 6.941. For lithium, you would use 7. So just round to the nearest whole number, which means we have 0 neutrons in hydrogen. So that's my nucleus. If I have 1 proton, that means I also have 1 electron. So I'm going to draw 1 electron shell and put my 1 electron in it. This next column asks number of valence electrons, so that's number of electrons in the outer ring, and in this case hydrogen has 1, so I'll put 1 there. Gain or lose. Well, hydrogen's in this really strange spot where it's in the middle, but I know that hydrogen loses 1, so I'm going to put that here, lose 1. And then its final charge, well, if you lose a negative, you end up with a positive. So the final charge for hydrogen is going to be +1.
Once you're done with the chart, there are 8 questions for you to answer. I would not print this. I would just sketch a rough outline of the periodic table on whatever paper you were drawing your models on and answer the questions there. Notice, it asks you to answer the questions in complete sentences. Number 8 asks you to write a CER, so make sure that you include 3 sentences, 1 sentence for each your claim, evidence, and reasoning. If you have any questions, join me in office hours, and I hope to see you at our class meeting tomorrow. Bye!